One day, while scrolling through Instagram Reels, a video caught my eye due to its impressive number of likes and views. I saw an opportunity to explain how to create such engaging content using a foolproof, monetizable method. This channel amassed 1 million subscribers by simply downloading, editing, and re-uploading videos. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create these trending videos. If this doesn't convince you of their popularity, nothing will. So, let's dive into one of these shorts.
If a man grabs you in this way, do not try to bring his hands together or push him from here, nor hit him on his thigh. The correct method is to place your left hand on his face like this, put your right hand under his knee, and then drop him to the floor in this manner. Ladies, protect yourselves.
In this tutorial, I will guide you through the entire process, from downloading the original videos to editing and uploading them anew. By the way, I released a comprehensive course just 4 days ago. You'll find the video link at the bottom of the screen. Also, I'd appreciate it if you could leave a comment, whether it's motivating or not. Even a simple heart will do. Thank you. Now, let's get started with the tutorial. First, go to YouTube or any other platform and search for videos on self-defense. Choose a popular video with many likes, comments, and views. After selecting a video, download it. Open your notepad and describe the video's key points, similar to this. If a man grabs you in this way, do not attempt to untie his hands or push him from here, nor hit him on his thigh. The right way is to put your left hand on his face like this. Place your right hand under his knee, and then drop him to the floor like this. Ladies, protect yourself. Next, visit the site provided in the description. Note, this video is not sponsored. Once the site opens, scroll down and click on the option for Cartoon Video Effects. Upload your video by clicking the appropriate button, then wait for the upload to complete. After that, scroll down a bit and click Confirm to convert the video. Once the process is finished, download the video. This is just the first method. At the end of the video, I'll explain the next method, so watch the full tutorial to understand all the steps. Copy the script and paste it into ChatGPT to have it rewritten. Then, go to 11labs.ai, select a female voice, or any voice you prefer, paste the rewritten script and click Generate. Wait for the audio to be ready. Next, visit Pixabay and search for a sport-themed song. Make sure to check the copyright before downloading. On YouTube, search for false and correct animation green screen and download it for the editing part. Open CapCut and add the original video. Reduce its volume, then add the animated video, placing it appropriately. Add the voiceover of the script and replace parts of the original video with the animated segments. use the glare to transition between clips. Add a video from the stock library, e.g., a white background video. Take a screenshot from the video, enlarge it, and cut out a portion of the image for captions. Use the mask option to add rounded corners, place it correctly, and add a slide-up animation. For captions, go to the text option, click Auto Captions, select English, and create the captions. Customize the text templates, fonts, and styles as needed. Finally, add a vignette effect to the entire video and set the texture number to 60. Apply a blur effect to the final part of the video. This step-by-step process will help you create engaging and informative videos. After finishing with the effects, go to the audio options and search for camera shutter sound effects. Add these sound effects to all transitions where you use the camera effect transitions. Next, add the green screen video. Cut the clip to the desired length, remove the background, and place it appropriately. For the parts of the video where the false effect appears, add a black and white effect. Repeat the same process for the correct video, removing the background and changing its placement. Once all that is done, add the song. Reduce its volume slightly, cut it as needed, and add fade in and fade out effects. Next, go to LensGo AI. Upload your video and wait for it to finish uploading. LensGo AI offers various feature modules you can use. Click on Generate Video and wait for it to finish. Note that the free plan only allows for 5-second durations. If you have a longer video, you'll need to cut it into 5-second parts and convert them one by one. After generating all parts, download them and piece them together in CapCut. Once you have all the parts, go to CapCut and make the necessary changes. Check the FPS and video quality before exporting. Edit the thumbnail by changing the image to one from the video and click Save. Add a text overlay like "Don't do that," adjusting the font and color as desired. Finally, export the video. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.